Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type. Panel type. Display size. Resolution. Refresh rate. Pixel density. Backlight. Brightness. Contrast ratio. Video processor. HDMI port. HDR. Color temperature. Response time. Frame hold time 60 fps. FreeSync and G-Sync. Part 2. General space. ER. Design. Special features. Tuners. Borders. Weight. Wall mountable. Part 3. Connectivity. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. USB port. HDMI port. RJ45 port. Part 4. Features. TV platform. Version at launch. AirPlay 2. Search browser. USB device playback. Menu control. Part 5. Audio. Speakers. Voice assistance. HDMI ARC and HDMI ERC. Dolby Audio. Detach Audio. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.